Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello guys. Before we start, I want to introduce myself. My name is Shafa Ibrahim. I am 19 years old and I am a student from Muhammadiyah University of Jakarta in the major of architecture. In here, I want to show you how to make spaghetti bolognese. If you want to know, just keep watching. Bye bye.
Here is the material and the ingredients. This is Bolognese sauce,
2 teaspoons of cooking oil,
1 garlic, a half of medium onion. The main ingredient is the spaghetti itself. I've used it before, so I don't use new ones. 2 glasses of water or 500 ml, and the last is the Teflon. Okay guys, let's get started. First, slice the onion. And then, split into smaller pieces. Second, slice the garlic.
Third, put a glass of water into the pan.
Fourth, pour 2 teaspoons of cooking oil into the pan too. Fifth, boil the mixed water and cooking oil. Wait until boiling and then put spaghetti. Sixth, while waiting for spaghetti to cook, let's saute the garlic and the onion for the bolognese sauce. Add 3 teaspoons of cooking oil and then saute the garlic and the onion until golden brown. 7. Put instant bolognese sauce into the Teflon. 8. Spaghetti is cooked. Add the spaghetti into bolognese sauce and stir it.
Finally, spaghetti bolognese is ready to eat. So that's it guys for my today video. I hope you enjoy it. Don't forget to subscribe and click on the ring button so you won't miss any notification when I upload new video. Thank you very much for watching. Bye.